ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਅਕਾਲ ਅਕੈਡਮੀ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ CTET ਪੇਪਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਪੈਡਾਗੋਜੀ ਦੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਫਸਟ ਨੇਚਰ ਆਫ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ 50 MCQ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਫਸਟ MCQ ਤੋਂ Science is primarily concerned with option A beliefs, B values, C observations and experimentations, D traditions. So right option is C observation and experimentations. So next question. Second, scientific knowledge is considered option A absolute, B fixed, C tentative, D imaginary. So right option is C tentative. Next question, third, the nature of science is option A static, B dynamic, C emotional, D dogmatic. Right option is B dynamic. Next question, fourth, science is the systematic study of option A natural phenomena, B superstitions, C human emotions, D social rules. Option A is the right answer, natural phenomena. Next question, objectivity in science means option A personal opinion, B base free observation, C guesswork, D imagination. So right option is B. Next question 6. Which of the following is not a feature of science? Option A verifiability, B logical reasoning, C subjectivity, 4D experimentations. So right option is C subjectivities. Next question 7th. Science knowledge developed through option A authority, B revelations, C inquiries, D memorizations. So right option is C inquiries. So next question 8th. Science emphasize option A rote learning, B blind faith, C evidence based thinking, D injunctions. So right option is C evidence based thinking. So question number 9. Scientific laws are option A permanent, B changeable with new evidence, C imaginary, D unquestionables. So right option is B unchangeable with new evidence. Question number 10. Science is universal because option A is different from place to place, B it is the same everywhere, C it depends on culture, D it is belief based. So right option B it is the same everywhere. Next question 11th. The scientific method includes option A guessing, B observation and hypothesis, C belief system, D traditions. So right option is B observation and hypothesis. Next question number 12. Science help in developing option A superstitions, B critical thinking, C fear, D confusion. So right option is B critical thinking. Next, which is a scientific attitude? Option A curiosity, B blind acceptance, C fear of failure, D obedience. So right option is A curiosity. Next question 14. Science explains phenomena through option A math, B logical reason, C emotions, D opinions. So right option is B is logical reasoning. Question number 15. Scientific knowledge grows by option A repetition, B authority, C verifications, D guessing. So right option is C verifications. Next 16. Science encourages learners to option A accept fact blindly, B ask questions, C memorizing theories, D avoid doubts. So right option B question ask questions. 17. Which statement is true about science? Option A, it is value based, it is evidence based, it is belief based, it is a tradition based. So right option is B, it is evidence based. Next, 18. Science promotes option A, dogmatism, B, open mindedness, C, superstitions, D, blind faith. So right option is B, open mindedness. Next, 19. Scientific explanations are option A, fixed forever, B, open to revision, C, based on beliefs, D, based on authority. So right option is B, open to revision. Next, 20. Science knowledge is built through option A, experiments, B, injunctions, C, option, opinion, D, emotions. So right option is A, experiment. Next question. Science deal mainly with option A, imagination, B, facts and evidence, C, traditions, D, myths. So right option is B, facts and evidence. Next, which is an essential characteristics of science? Option A, creativity without logic, B, logical thinking, C, emotional thinking, D, subjective thinking. So right option is B, is logic thinking. Science accept conclusion that are option A, proven by evidence, B, supported by beliefs, C, based on traditions, D, emotionally satisfied. So right option A, proven by evidence. Question number 24. Science develops which ability most? Option A, memorization, B, critical analysis, C, blind acceptance, D, fear. So right option is B, critical analysis. Question number 25. Science is called a process because it involves option A, static facts, B, continuous inquiries, C, fixed law, D, absolute truth. So right option is B, is continuous inquiries. Next question 26. Scientific thinking is option A, closed, B, flexible, C, rigid, D, emotional. So right answer is B, flexible. Next, science discourages option A, questioning, B, observations, C, suppositions, D, experimentations. So right option is C, suppositions. Question number 28. Science relies on option A, faith, B, authority, C, evidence, D, traditions. So right option is C, evidence. Question number 29. Scientific conclusions are option A, final, B, tentative, C, imaginary, D, based. So right option is B, tentative. Next question. Science develops problem solving skill through option A, guessing, B, inquiries, C, rote learning, D, imagination. So right answer is B, inquiries. 31st, science encourages learners to be option A, passive, B, curious, C, fearful, D, confused. So right option is B, curious. Next, which is not scientific? Option A, experiment, B, observation, C, suppositions, D, reasoning. So right option is C, suppositions. Next, science aims to explain option A, natural events, B, culture beliefs, C, religions review views, D, moral values. So right option A, natural events. Question number 34. Science develop rational thinking because it is a option A, logical, B, emotional, C, subjective, D, imaginative. So right answer is A, logical. 35. Science knowledge changes when option A, new evidence emerge, B, teachers say so, C, books change, D, exam change. Right option is A, new evidence emerge. Question number 36. Accept ideas that are option A, popular, B, proven, C, traditional, D, emotional. So right option is B, proven. Next, 37. Science encourages option A, blind beliefs, inquiries and explorations, C, rote learnings, D, memorization. So right answer is B, inquiries and explorations. Question number 38. Science teaching should highlight Option A, facts only. B, process of inquiries. C, textbook language. D, definitions. So right answer is B, process of inquiries. Science 39. Science is cumulative because option A, knowledge add up over time. B, it is a fixed. C, it is imaginary. It is emotional. So right answer A, knowledge add up over time. Next question 14. Science is objective because it option A, based on opinion. B, based on evidence. C, A, emotional based. D, belief based. So right option is B, based on evidence. So question number 41. Science discourages which thinking? Option A, logical. B, critical. C, superstitions. D, analytical. So right option is C, superstitions. So question number 42. Science promotes option A, rational outlook. B, blind faith. C, emotional thinking. D, traditions. So right option is A, rational outlook. So question number 43. Science is exploratory in nature because it option A, seek answers. B, avoid questions. C, depends on beliefs. D, reject evidence. So right option is A, seeks answer. Question 44. Science develops scientific temper by option A, encourage inquiries. B, promoting memorization. C, avoiding doubt. D, accepting authorities. Option A, encourage inquiries. So 45. Science is empirical because it is based on option A, experiments. B, faith. C, values. D, traditions. Option A, experiments. 46. Science learning should focus on option A, product only. B, process only. C, both process and product. D, examination. So right answer is C, both process and product. Question number 47. Science knowledge is reliable because it is option A, tested. B, believed. C, traditional. D, emotional. So right option is A, tested. 48. Science teaching helps students to option A, accept facts blindly. B, thinking logically. C, memorize law. D, avoid experiments. So right answer is B, thinking logically. Question number 49. Promote understanding through option A, inquiries. B, authorities. C, memorizations. D, repetitions. So right option is A, inquiries. Question number 15. The nature of science board. Option A, dogmatic. B, open inquiries. C, blind belief. D, fixed ideas. Option is B, open inquiries. Thank you so much for watching my videos.